A little bit?
Yeah.
I think it's like any car.
Well, it's like 195,000 miles too, so it's not even tripping. 100 for it.
That's actually not bad.
That's what I was thinking, but I'm not gonna lie. I drove it. I tried driving it a little fast. The only thing I didn't like, he also took off the power steering. I don't know if he actually.
Okay, Sam, one hell of a run. 42.456, 42.456, but marred by 2 cones.
Oh, 2 cones, okay, 2 cones.
So what happened was, I don't know if I think it's the last one. Yeah, now we'll get there. Okay, Juan Pettis, 45.476, 45.476.
I'll tell you what, they're still in. They're not letting them in, they're bringing them in.
That's a 42 girl. All right, Gabe, 42.951, 42.951. Good time. 134, that's your quick. Juan Pettis is a 43 716, 43 716. Hold up.
Okay, after having them on your car, you used them for a couple autocross events and daily driving. What do you think about the Max Speed Rod's coilovers?
For daily use, they feel fine. They're not too bouncy. Definitely felt the difference from stock to this. The only thing I didn't like was the build quality. I broke the dampening adjustment.
Okay.
It broke really easy. I didn't do anything.
Just one of them or a couple of them?
One of them, and then the other felt like it was going to break, so I stopped adjusting.
Okay.
I was trying to find the full level of adjustment, and when I found the stiffest setting, I was going to back it off, and the knob broke off.
Interesting.
I felt that it only happened on the rear ones. The front ones were fine.
Okay.
Install was pretty easy, except the rear. I had the issue with the rear.
Or you guys saw in the video, he was grinding down the bushing to make it smaller. It wasn't a perfect fit on
It doesn't feel
the
like
rear.
what do you call it, the hub?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
But other than that, for daily use, for autocross, I can feel a difference.
Over stock, of course.
Yeah, over stock.
But compared to like your BRZ and the Miata,
Yeah, the Miata had Godspeed.
obviously something a lot better.
Godspeeds honestly felt a little better than these, and the BCs compared to the three, out of the three are probably the better ones.
Okay. So for the price that they offer these for, do you think it's worth it?
You can't beat the price, man.
I agree.
If you're,
Solid price for something daily.
yeah, I guess if you're looking just to go low, feel some, get some body stiffness, then yeah, for the price you can't beat that.
Cool, cool. And so after hearing Juan's opinion on the coilovers, I kind of agree. They're great for daily driving. If you're not doing anything too, I guess, motorsports oriented, they're perfect. They seem to last a long time. The only downside is like the quality in the construction, where he was talking about the rear coils on his, the damping, they broke right away. He was just trying to actually set them, and I think maybe took it all the way to the end. And at that point I've used ground controls, I've used Skunk 2s, I've used Tokikos that were adjustable. I didn't have any issue with adjusting those, like taking all the way to the end and knowing you're at the end and then backing them off. That should be something that's a given. It should not break when he's trying to find the end of the adjustment, either hard or soft, and then going in the opposite direction. So he had that issue. And we've used these coilovers on his TSX, Danny's Honda Fit. I've used them on my CRX. They're now on Andrew's CRX. We all kind of feel the same way. They're great for the price. Like, you can't beat that 300 and whatever value it's at now. I haven't looked lately. It's a great price though for them. Someone definitely starting out, budget coilovers. If you're trying to be competitive, these aren't the coilovers for you. So just heads up, and Max Speed Rods is coming out. My contact let me know they're making a new coilover that I'll be able to try out once they finished it. It's supposed to be a better build. Hopefully it's a little bit, I guess, lasts a little longer because of the amount of people I've heard saying they don't like the longevity of it. I guess in terms of the build quality, they're just not lasting as long. Hopefully this new one does a little better, and it's good that they've gotten to this point, because if they stay where they're at building this one particular set of coilovers, they're never gonna get any better, and no one's gonna keep buying the product if it doesn't perform any better. So hopefully this does well. Once I get those, I will throw those on the CRX. We'll get some track footage on those. Well, I'll let you know how those do, and I'll keep you guys updated. We'll see you next time. Take it easy.